Well, you get everything done.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. But wow, today's a day. Today's a day. Okay, today's the day. I just like, I don't know what it is. Maintenance. I love a maintenance day, but then at the same time, I really don't love it because it's just so much driving from places to places. I just wish all of those people can come to my house at the same time and do my hair, do like everything in one-stop shop. And if you got any recommendations of a one-stop shop place that could do like my hair, my nails, my lashes, my brows, like my toes, everything in one stop, please let me know, because that's really the big reason why maintenance day is just person who's doing my hair. I'm putting on a wig, so she's gonna like cornrow my hair and stuff like that. I'm probably gonna put that install in this video, maybe on my TikTok. I'll probably like a TikTok hair day. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna add that in this video, but I am gonna wash my hair in this video. I'm gonna go get my nails done, my lashes done, my eyebrows done today. My toes already done. And tomorrow is my actual hair appointment, so I'm just getting like certain things prepped. So anyway, come with me. I don't know why I'm dreading a maintenance day today. I'm not feeling it today, guys, but I have to get this done. And your girl also is going on her trip, but this is not a maintenance day for my trip. This is a regular maintenance day for every day to day. I am gonna go on a trip very soon. So I'm excited about that because I got to start planning. Yeah, I'm going to use this conditioner shampoo because my Yale Products one is basically done and finished. So is it bad if I mix these two? Is that bad? I don't even know. I think I should do one and then do the other one the same. I finished doing my hair, and also I took a shower because it was a lot. And now I'm about to get into washing my face. By the way, I'm going to switch to a new skincare product. I don't know if I'm feeling Fenty anymore. But I'm thinking about switching over to Korean skincare or Korean skincare or The Ordinary, or maybe both. I know definitely I want to get The Ordinary serum because it's so smooth. And just like that, healthy glow. I gotta hurry up and go to the car, so I will see you guys when I get to the car. Bye! Just like that, my lashes is done. Ah! Period. Gotta get something to eat. The lady is not ready to do my nails yet. Alright, y'all, so I am about to get my nails done. I didn't really talk too much since I'm already in here, so let me get my nails done. I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get into the car to debrief. We're gonna do a nice little mukbang in the car while we just talk about stuff, because I don't really know. We got fries, I had me a sandwich. All of this was free. That's the best type of food. Let's talk about TikTok being banned. I won't talk too much about it, but I just kind of like, it's sad though. Because it's like, there's a lot of people that are making money off of TikTok. You know? I don't know why my camera is just messing up on the lighting, but there's a lot of people that make money off TikTok in the US. And for it to get banned in the US is really crazy because, oh, now they want to call me. Hello?
Your appointment with Nina?
Yeah, she ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm 6 minutes away.
Okay, yeah, take your time there.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. I'm actually not 6 minutes away. I'm in front of the shop. But no, it's really annoying because I came here at 6:30 to get my nails done. I made an appointment with these people. This is my second time having big issues with them, and it's so annoying. But I went to get my nails done. I mean, I made a reservation for 6:30. I made an appointment at 6:30, and I got here at 6:28, 6:29, and Shorty's not even ready yet. I'm sitting down like 15 minutes go past. I'm like, what is going on? The lady's like, hold on. I'm like, you're not gonna be ready. Why don't you call the person, let them know, you know, I'm running late. Because I don't want to sit down just idle, not doing anything. So she's like, we're gonna come to you. At this point, I was like, okay, well, I'm hungry. Like, I want to go get something to eat. And there's a nice little shopping center around the corner that I could get something to eat. So I was like, okay, well, let me know when you're ready. I want to go get something to eat. Yeah, it's 7 o'clock. They're just now calling. I had an appointment at 6:30. I don't like when I make an appointment and people don't abide to their appointment. I don't like it at all. You might as well tell the person that, you know, I'm running late. I'm running behind time. Can you come at 7 instead? Like, I'd rather that. So I'm at home doing what I need to do. Versus just sitting in your shop, just waiting for 30 minutes and not doing nothing. I am back home. I am so tired. I feel like, you see why I be hating maintenance day sometimes? Because it's just like a whole day of work. Driving upon driving. I probably didn't even show y'all that I was driving. By the time I was trying to record the driving scene, it was already dark. And honestly, I was tired. So this is a realistic maintenance day. Y'all see my nails? My nails are like so cute. I got orange, pink, and like, is that like a little red? But this is a vibe. Ooh, I'm really falling in love with almond shapes. And then my lashes are done. My hair's gonna be done tomorrow. Y'all not gonna see this on this vlog, but my hair's already gonna be done tomorrow. Right now it's looking interesting, but I'm about to wash my face and just honestly take a nice little nap. I said a nap, it's time to go to sleep. It's like 9 o'clock. Today was a lot. I feel like I love maintenance. Maybe I should do a maintenance day with my friend. Maybe I should try doing that, because sometimes I be like, I don't feel like recording. I don't feel like being on the phone. I just want to get my hair done, get my nails done, do what I gotta do. And some people be talking to me while I'm getting these services done, but some don't. So I kind of like it when you don't talk to me for real. Unless like I know you and I'm supporting you, then it's like we could kiki in. I'm gonna be watching this video when my hair's already done. So if you really want to see what my hair look like in real time, make sure you're following me on Instagram, TikTok, because I might post a hair day, come with me to get my hair done type of little vlog on my TikTok. So if you follow the girl, you would know and see what my hair looks like before, so you don't have to wait to the next video on YouTube. You know what I mean? But anyway, I love you guys. I hope this wasn't too short of a maintenance. I didn't vlog every single thing, but it's still a vibe. So I will see you guys in my next video. Comment down below, DM me what topics y'all want to hear me talk about, because I don't really know. I've been like creating like lists. I've been creating like a list and stuff on the things that I want to record on YouTube. So hopefully I get to do them, because I think you guys would really love these next topics that I'm about to talk about or do or vlog or whatever. But it's time to go to sleep. Your girl's tired. I'm about to do my nice skincare routine, and then I'm about to just go to bed. Bye.